Hi, Reggie here. And at Reggie's Motorworks and Noble Auto Service, we pride ourselves on how we use technology, both in the shop and to communicate with our clients. I want to show you quickly today a product that we use. It's actually our shop management software that we've been using for years, really, to make things more convenient for our clients. But during the times of COVID-19, it's also something that allows us to do more touch-free transactions, which is becoming more and more important. So I'm going to put my phone screen up here, and I'm going to go through and just kind of show you what it looks like. When we are working on a car, we have the option of either you can opt into email notifications or text notifications. I'm going to show you a text that's come to my phone. I actually have if you've seen the little mini truck out front, it's a little Honda Acti, neat little right-hand drive thing. It's in the shop for some work right now. And I have received a text message that there's some information that I need to review. So I'm going to go into my text messages. I'm going to follow the link. Our management system is all web-based, so you'll get a link directly to your account. And it looks here, we've completed a health check. And as you see here, there's check marks, green check marks by all the things that are the way they should be. I've got a couple things here in the yellow. I got windshield wipers that might need to be replaced. Looks like I've got a few little fluid leaks. And my brake fluid is due for replacement, and my drive belts are due for replacement. So I'm going to look over here in the notes, and here I can actually see some pictures of what the technician's seeing. You know, in the past, and if you're here, we love to have you come out in the shop and see your car, but we also know your time's valuable. So this is a way we can give you that same transparency in an electronic format. Right now we're looking at my brake pads, which look to have some life left in them. And there's the streaks on my windshield. This is a little sensor that we use to detect moisture in brake fluid. So it's telling me that I am off the charts with moisture in my brake fluid. I can get more technical on that, but it needs to be replaced. You can see the bottom of the engine's kind of moist. It's got some fluid leaks that we're going to be addressing. And my battery tested okay. So we used an electronic battery tester. Battery test's okay, so I've got notification of that. So that's how that works. If something is a pending job, I'll be able to approve it from this work order. It doesn't look like I have one on this job, but our Toyota Sienna is in here. It's our courtesy car, one of the cars that we allow you to use if your car's down for a few days. It's in here for some oil leaks, and it's got a few other things that need to be addressed. So I kind of want to show you what that looks like. So if you bring your car in because it's making a noise or you just have it in for an oil change and we happen to see that there's something else going on that should be addressed sooner or later, we're going to go ahead and give you an estimate on that and send it to you in a message, and we're going to follow up with a phone call as well. We're not trying to replace the human interaction, we're just trying to supplement it. But you see here, there's some things that I've already approved, the green that say added to estimate. But like this one, control arm bushings, severely cracked and worn, replace both lower control arms. I have not approved that yet. I have the option to say no thank you or approve. Same with the road hazard protection on the new tires. I can approve that or say no thank you. So as we find things that are maybe wrong or maybe just maintenance that's due with your car, we can communicate with you electronically, try to keep you in the loop through the whole process. And at the end of the transaction, we can even send you a link to pay online and lock your keys outside. With COVID-19 going around right now, we are everybody's increasing their barriers to interpersonal interaction. We hate it because we are a personal relationship business, but at the same time, we're going to be safe, keep ourselves safe, and keep you safe, and still keep you going down the road. So if you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to chat. 317-733-5009 is the number at Noble Auto Service, and 317-773-0074 is the number at Reggie's Motorworks. We hope to see you soon.